We got to see some interesting trends over the back half of 2022. Obviously, the year closed on kind of a boring note, and 2022 in general was just a train wreck. I think we can all agree to that. But what was found from the metrics was that Bitcoin addresses, small and medium size, that are holding between zero point 0.1 Bitcoin to 100 Bitcoin actually had one of the most aggressive accumulations in history. Okay. This is out throughout 14 years of Bitcoin's existence, one of the most aggressive accumulations. Now, it was found that these wallets actually added about 9% to their holdings, about 9%. That's not a small amount by any means. Now, why is this happening? Okay. Well, I think we need to take a look at what has happened throughout history and what larger whales are doing during this same time. If we look at what sharks and whales were doing during this time, that's from those who hold between 10 and 10,000 Bitcoins, actually were selling off heavy through the end of the year. Okay. They were dumped about $10.75 billion into the market. Now, what has happened time and time again throughout history is redistribution. Okay. There is a redistribution from the hands of the impatient to the hands of the patient. You don't even see it in just Bitcoin. You can see it in cryptocurrencies throughout the space. Now, what is happening is those who are patient and are preparing themselves for the next market cycle are accumulating and setting themselves up for the future. And these metrics show just that. This has been the case time and time again. New whales get created during these bear markets. Okay, there are those who know that the market goes through these cycles every 4 years. It's kind of comical how it plays out, really. 3 years of up, 1 year of down, 3 years of up, 1 year of down. Now, that's not to say that 2023 is going to be an up year. Obviously, we don't know what's going to happen, and this is a very different bear market cycle than we've experienced in the past. But what is funny is that the metrics continue to stay the same. Crypto adoption is coming, and it's coming faster than people realize. There are those who are starting to take notice and those who are adding to their position during this time. That is why you see such heavy buying during these periods of time. It's also the same reason we haven't yet seen Bitcoin retrace the same amount that we've seen over prior market cycles. There is a pent-up demand for crypto right now, and that is being realized. Now, whether that continues to be the case through the next several months or through the rest of this bear market cycle, however long it may be, obviously we don't know, but it has taken a long time even to get down to the levels that we are at currently. If we look at now compared to June, about a 6-7 month period, there hasn't been much change or variation from there. It just shows the strong support that currently exists in crypto. And I expect that this will probably continue to be the case moving forward. Now, that being said, as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research when it comes to this. You can check out these metrics yourself. They're all over the place. Santiment actually does a really good job of recording crypto metrics. They also do social metrics, how much people are talking about certain cryptos and stuff too. Definitely a great resource if you want to find out about all things crypto. But as always, we appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely show your support. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.